Thanks, Jermaine. Olympic bronze medalist Hansa Parchment is taking a different approach to his preparation for this year's Games in Tokyo, and it involves him doing a different sport completely. Jordan Fort explains.
Athletics fans know Hansel Parchment for sprinting over hurdles and onto podiums at major events. So why is the 30-year-old high hurdler now doing preparation underwater? And it's not the typical pool exercises done by track athletes, which involve many of the same movements that would take place on land. The Olympic bronze medalist was seen swimming freestyle in the National Stadium pool.
Well, I am preparing for the Olympics later this year, all being well. So I am doing some swimming to keep the strength work up, keep the cardiovascular system running. And just to learn the swimming techniques. Who knows, maybe I can try out for the swim team. But it's mostly for fun. I enjoy the swimming, but of course I get a lot of strength from doing that as well.
But joking aside, the 2015 World Championships silver medalist insists that his focus is still on making Jamaica's Olympic team in track and field.
I already feel very good. I feel like I'm gaining a lot of strength from just swimming alone. So, I'm really excited to get back out on the track. So, I'm just taking it slowly. All being well, I should be ready for the trials later in June.
And while he focuses on another Olympic appearance, Parchment is taking notice that his competition could be tougher at the national trials this year, with the likes of Rashid Broadbell and LSU's Damian Thomas already notching impressive performances.
I think it's good for hurdling to see more athletes pushing out fast times. It's going to be very competitive and exciting, so I'm looking forward to the competition as well.
Parchment, who has a personal best of 12.94 seconds in the 110-meter hurdles, is the second fastest Jamaican in history in the event. His Olympic bronze medal came in the 2012 Games, and he copped a world silver medal 3 years later in Beijing. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.